Okay, so if you come to your laptop and the screen's blank with the lights on, it could possibly be just the brightness. So you've got two buttons here, low and high, so just press the high till it comes back. But if that's light still on, you've tried the brightness, then you want to do a soft reset, so you just press and hold until the light goes off. Keep holding it for a few seconds, then shut the lid for a few seconds, and then just open it back up and turn it on and see if that solved your problem. If not, it could be your screen gone, or obviously something to do with the motherboard. But they're two basic checks to do first, and they do work 90% of the time, so